Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome once again to my YouTube channel. Today, we are going to talk about Google Sheets. Google Sheet is a powerful free online tool that always helps you organize, analyze, and share data easily. It's perfect for everything from simple to-do lists to complex financial plans or team project tracking. Let's start by understanding what Google Sheet is. Think of an online spreadsheet that works like Excel but runs in your web browser. It stores your data in rows and columns, lets you perform calculations, create charts, and even collaborate in real time with others, all saved securely in the cloud. So what do you use Google Sheets for? Well, there are a number of uses for Google Sheets. One, budgeting your personal or business finances, managing events, guest lists or schedules, tracking work-related tasks or project progress, creating simple databases for contacts or inventory, analyzing data with formulas and charts. Now, how do you create your first Google Sheet? Well, it's quick and easy. You start by opening your browser, which is your Google browser. Click and then type the word Google Sheets, and this is what opens. Now, click on Google Sheets, online spreadsheets. In case you have not yet signed in, click sign in. So after this, you go to the blank spreadsheet. Click on it. So you can see grids divided into rows and columns. These are the columns and then these are the rows. Now, you can click any cell and you input data. So you can see, also additionally, you can input formulas such as so you see, just like Excel, you are able to input formulas and you're able to get calculations done on the sheet. So this is what Google Sheet is. It automatically saves your work as you type, so no worries about losing any data. To share, just click the share button. Here's the share button. And after this, you can be able to add email addresses and then get a shareable link. Google Sheets makes handling data straightforward and collaborative. Start exploring the menus and tools to make sure your schedules, budget, or reports are in order. With practice, you'll find it a versatile tool for both personal and professional use. If you want, I can guide you step by step in creating specific type of sheets or how you can advance features like conditional formatting, pivoting table, or any other functions done by Excel. Once again, we said Google Spreadsheet is an online spreadsheet that works like Excel but runs in your web browser. It stores your data in rows and columns and lets you perform calculations, create charts, and even collaborate in real time with others, all saved securely online. This is a powerful tool, free online, and helps you organize, analyze, and share data easily. Thank you so much for watching my video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.